In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Loom with AI. This is an exciting way to enhance your video recording experience and make the most out of your content. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First and foremost, open your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, just type that in and let's get started. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to Loom's website. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll see your dashboard where you can manage your videos. Now, to begin, you have the option to record a new video, or you can choose to open one of your existing Loom videos. If you're feeling creative today, click on the option to record a new video. If you prefer to work with footage you've already created, select an existing video instead. I'll let you decide which route to take. After you've recorded your new video, or opened an existing one, it's time to wait for the video to finish processing. Depending on the length of your video, this might take a little bit of time, so be patient. Once the processing is complete, you can open the video to begin leveraging the AI editing tools that Loom offers. Once you're in the video, look to the right side of your screen. You should see an Edit tab. Click on that tab. At this point, take note of the Powered by AI label at the top of the Edit panel. This is where the magic happens. Loom's AI features can really spruce up your video and make it more engaging for your audience. Next, click on the option that says Edit and Enhance Video. This will open up a treasure trove of AI-powered editing tools designed to help you create a polished video with minimal effort. Now, you'll see several suggestions from Loom's AI. These suggestions could include silence detection, filler word detection, and even stylized captions. Let's break those down a bit. Silence detection is handy for finding parts of your video that might be too quiet. You might not need sections where you're not speaking. This feature helps you cut out any awkward silences. Then there's the filler word detection. This handy tool helps you identify and remove words like and you know. These filler words can make you sound less confident, so this tool is a great way to tighten up your speech and make your presentation smoother. And don't forget about the stylized captions. These can enhance the accessibility of your video, making it easier for viewers to follow along, especially if they're watching without sound. Once you've reviewed the AI suggestions and made any changes you feel are necessary, scroll down to the section titled Take Action. Here, you'll see an option that says Generate a Document. Click on that to create AI-generated content from your video. This is an excellent feature that can help you take your existing video content and turn it into useful text. After you click to generate the document, Loom's AI will whip up a transcript or an outline of your video, capturing the essential points. This can be incredibly useful for creating blogs, social media posts, or even notes for your audience. After a brief moment, the AI-generated content will be ready for your review. Take a look at the results, and if they meet your needs, you can choose to save or share them. This is a fantastic way to repurpose your content and reach your audience in different formats. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use Loom with AI to enhance your video projects. It's all about making your content more engaging and accessible, and with these tools, you're well on your way. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this. Happy video editing!